What's up, guys? I've got one here finally after like 3 or 4 years of Husqvarna teasing this motorcycle. We finally have one here in the crate. It just got dropped off. I'm gonna pop this thing open. We're gonna take a look at it together. Let's do it. All right, guys, well, there it is. It definitely looks unique. It looks pretty sick. I dig it. I love how this shroud is more or less a rally fairing, but also it resembles the Husqvarna dirt bike shrouds, kind of like the Viking battle axe shape. Really cool. I do like the colorways. I do like the seat. I dig it. Now, you can't really get a good view on its stance because it's still, the forks are very compressed from the ratchet straps. So in my next video, I'll have this thing together. I'm going to start putting it together shortly, and I'll have it out of the crate, and we can do a better walk around of the machine and what it's going to look like with the windshield and the bars and the forks decompressed and all that. But I'm happy with this bike, guys. For some reason, I think it's because of this front this big fairing right here. The bulbousness of the lower part of the tank doesn't stick out to me quite as much as the KTM version does. I don't know, but I think I do like this body style more than the KTM. It looks adventurous. It looks sleek. The graphics look great. Bunch of matte finish here. Just a beautiful bike. So yeah, just wanted to get this quick unboxing and look out to you guys as soon as I possibly could. This should be the first one on YouTube. I try to do that for you guys all the time. And then yeah, I'll start putting this thing together and watch for the next video of the more detailed walk around. And I'll go over some specs and stuff like that in that video. See you in the next one.